Good day, everyone. Welcome again to another episode of CBCP News Conversations. And I am your host for today, Sky Ortigas. And right now, I am here with two amazing, very talented people. Sana mapatunayan. Anyway, we are here with the two of my friends from the Jesuit Music Ministry. So, papakilala natin sila. Ang first ay ang director ng Jesuit Music Ministry, si Kuya Lester Mendiola, and also the project manager
Coordinator.
or project coordinator ng Jesuit Music Ministry or ng JMM, si Kuya Ray Malipot. So, introduce nyo naman yung sarili nyo, anong ginagawa nyo? At kung kayo ay nakikinig ng mga music ng Jesuit Communications, malalaman nyo who are the people behind these CDs, this music that you are listening to. So, Kuya Lester, kuya talaga eh.
Ate Sky. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Lester mula sa Jesuit Music Ministry. Kung hindi po kayo familiar sa amin, kami po ang nagpo-produce ng music ng halimbawa ng Bukas Palad, Hangad, Himig Jesuita, Ateneo Chamber Singers. At ang Jesuit Communications din po ang responsible for coming up with a movie about Ignacio de Loyola.
Wow. So, di kayo nakasama sa casting?
Hindi. Ito, sa susunod na pelikula, sasama kami.
Part 2. May
Kasi
part 2
dito
pa
na
yan.
dito na gagawin.
Si Kuya Ray naman.
So, good afternoon po. Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita niyo sa amin. Sister Sky.
Naging sisters ka.
Kami po sa music ministry ay parang isang department lang ito, no? Parang Jesuit Communication. Jesuit Music Ministry is under the umbrella of JESCOM na naatasan to produce music. So kami yung parang behind the scene ng music. So nandyan yung proseso ng paggawa ng mga kanta. So yung mga composer natin ng mga Jesuita, sila Father Manuling, yung dati noon si Father Honti, tapos sila Father Arnel. So, yun yung mga nakakasalamuhan namin sa loob ng aming opisina.
So, parang your life is full of music. Every day.
Yes.
Mahirap ba? Mahirap ba gawin ang lahat nito? To produce an album, to do all these things?
Palagi kong sinasabi, it takes a village to produce music. Beautiful music. Kasi maraming involved. So, yung composers, yung artists, yung singers, and then, of course, para makapag-record tayo, kailangan tayo ma-supervise ng sound engineers.
Yes, may studio.
Yes, tapos kapag nagawa mo na yung music, how you will market the music as well, how you will make people know that there is a music such as this. Tapos, sometimes you create music videos, covers.
So, part din ng
ministry
niya
yes.
yan. Oh. Okay, so paano, pwede nyo paliwanag sa akin yung creative process? How do you decide if this album is to be released now or to produce this album? Ano yung proseso nyo?
Si Kuya Ray.
Basically,
Mahaba
yearly
ba yung
naman,
process?
meron kaming yung, ang tinatawag natin dyan, yung annual or yung
fiscal year.
Fiscal year. So, meron kami talagang naka-allot na projects for each group's talents or artists namin. Tulad ng Himig Jesuita, Bukas Palad, Music Ministry, Hangad. Tapos, meron kaming Music Akesa sa instrumentals. And then, Ateneo Chamber Singers. So, hinihingan namin din sila ng suggestions. Tsaka yung proposals nila kung ano yung gusto nilang ibahagi for this year or for next year na project.
But they should produce something.
Yes.
Kasama yon sa agreement.
Oo.
Okay. So, how about the recording process? Paano natin ginagawa yon? Meron ba kayong studio? Saan ba sila pwedeng mag-record ng kanta? Or...
Yes, meron kaming studio. Dalawa yung studios namin sa JESCOM. Meron kaming Studio A, yung medyo malaki. So, dyan ginagawa yung malakihang recording with the artist, yung Bukas Palad, yung...
Mini orchestra pwede rin
Yan,
doon.
pwede siya.
Wow.
Yung Studio B namin na nasa second floor, yun yung mga small group. Like, yung Himig Iswita, doon namin ginagawa. Kasi hindi naman ganun
Mas maliit kaming grupo.
Mas maliit kaming grupo. So, yun.
So, kayo, you are lay people, hindi kayo
Yes.
religious. So, paano kayo napasok dito sa ministry
Pwede
na
naman
to?
pumasok si Sir.
Bale, ako, it will be my second year in the
Yes.
ministry in June. I came from a corporate background.
Wow.
So I work for business process outsourcing industry for more than 10 years. Tapos,
What made you decide to be
itong,
here?
itong Jesuit Music Ministry ay parang fruit ng retreat. Many retreats kung ano yung gagawin ko after
Parang tinawag
this.
ka ni Lord, no? Do something for me, parang gano'n.
Baka mas may malalim pa.
Parang ganon. So, and then they were looking for a lay person who can handle the Jesuit Music Ministry. Because Father Rod during that time, siya yung former director.
Father
Atilano.
Okay.
Hello, Father Ro. Maordinahan na siya as a priest.
Okay.
So,
He has
tapos
his
magkakaroon siya ng
priestly
ibang
ministry.
assignment. So, mababakante yung Jesuit Music Ministry. So, yung mga Jesuita naman, parang the ministries that can be entrusted to lay people, binibigay nila sa life.
Are you the first lay
Yes.
director?
Ako yung
Ba?
lay. Yes.
So, congratulations.
Salamat po.
Kasi parang before, iba-iba puro
Jesuits.
Jesuits yung
Right.
nandoon. And si Kuya Ray naman, paano ka napasok dito sa
Wow.
JMM?
Kwento talaga. Mahaba. Actually, matagal-tagal na. Napasok ako ng Jesuit Music Ministry 1996. So,
Huwag
yun.
na natin tanongin
Nasa
kung
corporate
ilang
din
taon
ako
na
ng 1994, 95, and then 96. Tapos, officially, naging official yung entity ng Jesuit Music Ministry na parang stable, 1997. Tapos magkahiwalay sila ng Jescom before.
Oh,
So,
okay.
2000, nag-merge sila ng Jescom.
So, Jescom before is more on production,
And
TV.
videos,
okay.
TV. Tapos music si Jescom. So, yun. During that time, 1997 hanggang 2004, so, yun, ginagawa na natin yung mga productions ng recordings, mga concerts, ganyan.
We publish songbooks as well.
Songbooks as well. Tapos, nangibang bansa ako noong 2004 and 2009. So, bumalik lang ako noong 2012 ulit.
Balik ulit
Balik
sa
sa Jescom.
ministry, sa
Ministry.
Jescom ulit. Kasi di ba dati, naalala ko yung mga pinuproduce lang ng Jescom are more of liturgical songs. So ngayon, ano na yung bago? Pumasok na ba tayo sa mga parang secular pero Christian pa rin na kanta?
Oo. Ang music ministry naman, open naman sa paggawa ng mga music. Hindi lang siya strictly for liturgical music. Yung mga kinakanta sa simbahan. Gumagawa ang Jesuit Music Ministry ng mga inspirational songs. Tapos, nag-iisip rin ng Jesuit Music Ministry palagi na kung ano yung bago
na pwede namin introduce.
ano yung trends ngayon. So,
Akala kasi ng mga tao parang liturgical songs
Oo nga,
lang yung
oo.
pinaproduce natin. Also, we do not claim that we are producing all liturgical songs. Kasi sometimes parang lahat ng kanta kinakanta sa misa kahit hindi
pang
siya pang misa. Oo.
Ayan.
Meron kasing part, parang kailangan mamili kung ano
Oo.
yung liturgical. And there are albums that are, we really identify them as liturgical songs. Ayun. So, tapos meron din kaming music for retreats, yung lauds and vespers.
Oo nga.
It's usually being used for reflections.
Reflections, sa retreats.
Yes.
Ilang taon na ang JMM?
Hindi kami nakasagot.
biglang mga 30s.
Jescom kasi is 30 years.
Baka
Going 30 years na Jescom this year.
more. I-research namin yan. Kasi ang Jesuit Music Ministry, panahon pa ni Father Honti.
Okay.
Father Honti
Hontivero.
started
Siya,
writing
Father of
songs
liturgical music.
in 1970s
70s eh.
as a response to Vatican II's call for parang para maggawa ng sariling tunog.
And then, 1992, nagkaroon sila ng official office sa
Official.
Loyola House of Studies, 1992.
So, hanggang ngayon, doon
Hanggang
pa rin
ngayon
yung
yun.
office ng
Oo.
Jesuit
Lumipat
Business.
lang kami sa Jescom
Sa kabilang
na
building.
para isa na lang kami.
Okay.
Oo.
So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kasi meron kayong bagong
Ayan.
album. Pero kung titingnan mo, pangatlo na siya, One Praise 3.
Right.
So, but before we talk about One Praise 3, the new album, ano yung One Praise? And how did it started? Kasi napansin ko, the music in One Praise ay from different communities.
Right.
So,
Correct.
how did it started? Paano na-produce ng Jescom ito? At paano nyo napagsama lahat ng mga communities?
Si Father Ro ay ano siya,
Correct.
ang parang nagmula siya sa Singles for
Isang
Christ
charismatic
or
group
Youth for Christ.
nung hindi pa siya pumapasok sa pagkahiswita.
Correct.
So,
So,
parang Youth for Christ ata.
Opo,
Oo,
parang
basta
ganyan.
sa CFC.
Oo.
Tapos, he thought of a different sound for the Jesuit Music Ministry. Kasi parang, there are many people listening to Bukas Palad, the usual artists that we have. But we wanted to tap the younger
Generation.
Generation.
They also listen to that music, pero parang, ano yung music para sa kanila? Na magkaka-appeal sa kanila.
Correct. Kasi
Tapos,
yung Bukas Palad, yung Himigiswita, Bukas Palad is more on, yung sounds namin, more on liturgical talaga
Yes,
eh.
oo.
Liturgical sounds. So ito kailangan,
Medyo reflective yung
oo,
mga...
reflective. Ang gusto ni Father Ro, parang yung makakaano pa ng mga kabataan.
And how you can bring
Sounds
them
like-
back to the church,
Correct,
diba? Na
correct,
makinig
yeah.
sila.
So, di ba parang usong-uso yung mga charismatic communities. Many people go to the feast. Some would even go to non-Catholic communities.
Yes.
So parang we wanted to give the young people a sound. A different brand of music in the Jesuit Music Ministry.
Ang ganda nga eh, kasi I'm also from Couples for Christ, from Singles for Christ actually. And we have our own brand of music. And ang maganda is napagsama nyo yung different communities.
Yun,
Right.
We have
pinakamaganda.
communities na mga Elim,
Elim.
Lord's Flock, di ba? Ano pa may mga communities na nandito?
Originally, we have the Living Hope also, and then yung Where's the Sheep. Tapos, nung second, yung One Praise 2, pumasok naman sa Simply for Him. Sila yung family from the United States na doon sila naka-base. Pero nung nalaman nila na may ganito ang Jescom,
They reach out.
Which is
out
which is
how they
really
can help.
good, no? Kasi parang ito, Filipinos. Kasi
Yes,
makikinig tayo
correct.
sa
Correct.
Hillsong,
Yeah.
nakikinig tayo sa iba't
Planet
ibang
Shakers.
Planet Shakers, ano pa
Correct.
ba? So nakakatawa is we have this sound na hindi lang napapalabas.
Correct.
And the good thing na nagkaroon ng One Praise na I think you started with a concert ba or you started with an album?
Album
Album,
One
and
Praise.
then
Unang
concert.
One Praise. Tapos parang yung launching niya is a worship concert.
Yeah,
Yun yung
kasi
concept
naka-attend
niya.
ata ako ng first One Praise na ang daming bands, different bands doon. And ang dami ding pumunta, di ba? So nakakatawa. And you do this every year?
year. Yes.
So ngayon, may One Praise pa ba? Saan ngayon ang One Praise?
Wala pa kaming venue but we plan to hold it in October.
Okay.
We realize kasi na parang if we do it after Easter, medyo busy yung mga communities and then
Usually it's May, no? Or March. Nandun
April,
yun.
May.
Tsaka nakakatuwa kasi every year nadadagdagan kami ng communities.
Right.
So last year ang nadagdag sa amin si
Christ
Christ
Youth
Youth
in
in
Action.
Action tsaka yung
Ang ligaya
ng
ng Panginoon.
Ay, oo nga. Oo,
Ayan.
napansin. I think I was there last year
Yes.
sa One Praise. And yun, ngayon paliwanag natin ang bago nating album which you released last Easter.
Easter.
At kung saan yun na-release ito?
Ito. Ito po ang parang artwork namin for One Praise 3. So yung One Praise 1, One Praise 2, we actually released it in CDs pa.
Okay.
Pero parang we realized that young people do not use CDs anymore. So digital na talaga. They listen on Spotify, iTunes, Apple
iTunes,
Music,
yes.
Deezer.
So ano lang siya, digital lang.
Digital album lang siya.
Yes. So some of the songs that are included here, we released as singles before the concert pa ng One
Before
Place
the,
3.
yes.
Oh,
So
okay.
in-introduce na namin siya so people
And
can learn
collaboration
it.
din ito ng different
Different
communities.
Yes.
Wow, nakakatuwa naman. And dahil dyan, ang napapansin ko artwork siya ng for this year of the youth.
Correct,
So,
correct. So we wanted to dedicate the album for the Year of the Youth. Most of the songs were made by young people
correct.
Wow.
and sang by young people as
Kumanta
well.
ba kayo dito?
Hindi kami.
Hindi
kayo young
Hindi kami yan.
But it's really nice to know na ang daming mga kabataan na willing to contribute,
Yes.
willing
Yes,
to sing,
yes.
to
At kailangan
sing,
natin
oo.
sila.
Ang daming magagandang music pala. How many songs are in this album that you've released?
There are 12 songs.
12 songs
12
from
songs.
different
Wow.
communities. So meron tayong songs from Christ and Christ Youth in Action, Simply for Him, Ang Ligaya ng Panginoon, Ilim, The Feast Worship, Lord's Flock, Charismatic Catholic Charismatic Community, and
May bonus track
may bonus
tayo.
tracks kami. Yun yung theme song na
Yun.
version
So,
ng
I have
Jesuit Music
heard
Ministry.
you have created a new version or another version of the Year of the
Yes.
Youth theme song. So, paano nyo naisip itong gawin na for the Year of the Youth?
Ano kasi ako laking youth ministry. So I wanted to parang help out in terms of young people using this song in their gatherings as an animation song. So I reached out to CBCP ECY, kina Father
Commission on
Kune, tsaka kina Pipoy, kina Ate Toyang, if we can create a new version of the song. So, and we wanted to parang come up with an EDM version.
EDM is?
Electronic dance music.
Yeah.
Yun. Hindi pala bagong ano yun. Bago lang siguro sa pandinig ko.
So, parang dance music
Dance
siya.
music.
Kasi yung mga kabataan, they are into
Yun yung ano nila ngayon.
dancing.
Kasi totoo naman, if you want to reach out to the young people, to millennials, or to the new generation right now, we need to also reach out to their kind of music.
Kind of
Eh,
music.
hindi lang,
Correct.
hindi lang acoustic or techno or
Correct.
whatever. So, they have different genres din na. Siguro, maganda din naman different mixes tayo ng theme song. So, nakakatuwa.
So, in this album, ano siya, it's a combination of fast and mellow songs.
Mellow songs.
Mga praise songs siya, worship songs. And then we added the theme song for the Year of the Youth, which is One in Mission.
which one is your favorite? Ang bagong sa album
Sa
na to?
album?
Lahat
Marami,
naman sila.
lahat maganda.
Lahat naman sila magagaling at magaganda.
Ano siya?
Iba-iba
It's how we select the songs.
How did you select the songs pala? Oo,
So
nga.
the communities submit a list of songs with demos, lyrics, and then the communities, yung representatives,
We'll ask them
Choose
to choose the
songs.
best from different communities.
okay.
They submit to us.
tapos boboto rin kami.
Beboto rin kami.
And then
Yes,
there's a Jesuit priest that's involved, si Father Rock. We
Okay.
ask for guidance to make sure that the songs are theologically sound
Yes.
to our Catholic faith. Yon, tapos we have the list, we present it to them. Those that are not yet recorded, we record it in Jesuit Communications.
Wow. So, you're really opening your doors only not to your
Yes.
own artists,
Yes.
but sa lahat.
Yes.
Ayun. Ang galing. Kasi this is your third album. Meron ba tayong inaabangang fourth?
Yes,
fifth?
Definitely. At
Definitely.
hopefully sana pag fifth sa ano na, Aronet.
Sa Arena. Doon, mangyayari yun.
Nangangarap
Yes,
kami na
oo.
Nangangarap
ng
kami na
One Praise,
Oo.
5 in Arena.
In Arena.
Yun. Arena naman.
So we can
Tsaka Arena.
invite more young people. to
Totoo
come.
yun. Kasi a lot of people wanted to really go and attend these events and naghahanap lang sila ng venue kung saan, 'di ba?
Correct,
So,
correct.
bago tayo mag-end, kasi nung sinabi ko sa mga friends ko na I'll be interviewing people from JMM, sinabi nila, if I have a song, if I'm a composer, how can I pass my songs to them, or are they willing to also accept songs from amateur or young composers out there? So pwede ba, are we open for that collaboration?
Yes, we are. In fact, there are a couple of songs this year, which is a collaboration between us and different artists that are not from the Jesuit Music Ministry.
Yes.
So just reach out to us. You can send us an email.
Where can they send an email?
Jesuit Music Ministry
At gmail.com.
Ayan. So, hanapin nyo lang si Sir Lester, at si Kuya Lester, at si Kuya Ray.
Yeah.
At sasagutin kayo nun. Sumagot
Sasagot kami.
Sasagot kami.
So, if you have songs, if you are also a composer, they are very open for collaboration. Because we need more artists. And,
Yes.
di ba?
Yes.
We would like to acknowledge the talents of our different composers and lyricists here in the country. Oo. Kasi lalo na pag ito para sa simbahan, para
Correct.
sa ating Panginoon.
Right.
So, thank you so much. And please invite them where they can listen to One Praise, or where they can also buy the digital album, right? So,
Yes.
and where they can support the songs in One Praise 3.
Sige, Ray muna.
Okay, so please stream our album One Praise 3 sa digital releases namin sa iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music. So available po siya dyan.
You can also follow us on our social media accounts.
Yes.
Yung Jesuit Communications, we normally we have weekly releases of songs, whether they are covers or they are single releases. And then you can also follow us at Jescom Music or Jescom TV in YouTube. And then on Spotify, search for Jescom PH and then click on follow. Yun, updated po yun with our playlists and other songs.
So,
as well.
follow them on Spotify, subscribe on their YouTube channel,
channel.
and to other mediums and platforms out there. They're on Facebook, they're on Twitter. Lahat nandun ang Jescom and Jesuit Music Ministry. So, thank you so much,
Thank
Kuya
you.
Lester,
Maraming
Kuya
salamat
Ray,
rin
for
sa pag-imbita.
coming and for gracing us of your presence here. And we continue to pray for more One Praise albums. At the same time, all other albums for the JMM, Jesuit Music Ministry. And again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Ito po si Sky Ortigas sa ngalan ni Nico Balbidina na aming kapatid who's supposed to host today. Pero let's pray for his health to be better kasi medyo may sakit siya ngayon. So, thank you so much po sa panonood, and God bless you all.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
future.